Hello you guys, my name is Ellie Galbraith. I'm a sales consultant here with David Weekley Homes in Jacksonville, Florida. And today I'm going to give you a tour of one of our last remaining floor plans here in Kettering at eTown. Fun fact, this community was actually the #1 selling community for David Weekley across the whole country in 2025, and we are in our last phase here. So I'm really excited to show you one of the opportunities left here to have a home in this wonderful community. So this is our Acosta floor plan, and it's just over 2,300 square feet. We can build this to be either a 3 or 4 bedroom villa. And as you can see behind me, there is a very beautiful grid entrance with the vaulted ceilings and double-story staircase. All of our Acostas back up to either preserve or pond to preserve, so very beautiful and private home sites. And the best part is there is a fully fenced-in backyard that is totally maintained by the HOA. So without further ado, let's go take a look at this home. Alrighty, that wraps it up for our tour on the Acosta floor plan here in Kettering at eTown. Again, we are in our final phase and we have some great incentives going on. If you would like more information on pricing, incentives, the home sites that are still available, and design selections, feel free to contact me. I'll leave my phone number and my email here on the screen, and I would love to schedule a tour for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.